जोहार झारखंड। आज 6 जनवरी 2023। फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी में पार्ट 4 में द नॉर्दर्न स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया के बारे में 10 स्टेट जो पढ़ते हैं भारत में, उनके बारे में आपको इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्ट बताने जा रहे हैं जो एकेडमिक से लेकर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन में उपयोगी साबित होंगे। The northern states of India include the state of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, along with the Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Chandigarh, and the NCT of Delhi. While some of them like Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand lie in the Himalayan region, others lie in the northern plains. Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir lies in the northernmost part of India in the high mountains of the Himalayas. Ladakh lies to its east and the states of Punjab and Himachal Pradesh lies to its साउथ। यानी जम्मू कश्मीर जो है भारत का उत्तरी भाग में पड़ता है, हाई माउंटेन हिमालय में। लद्दाख जो है जम्मू कश्मीर के पूर्व में है और पंजाब हिमाचल प्रदेश इसके दक्षिण में है, पाकिस्तान इसके पश्चिम और चाइना इसके उत्तर में है। द कैपिटल ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर इज श्रीनगर। During winter, when it is severely cold, the capital shifts to Jammu. Other important cities are Pahalgam, Gulmarg, and Anantnag. Most of Jammu and Kashmir is covered by the mighty ranges of the Himalayas, such as the Pir Panjal and Jastar. In between these ranges lie several beautiful valleys, such as the Kashmir Valley. The Dal and Vular lakes lie within the Kashmir Valley. The major rivers that flow through Jammu and Kashmir are Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, and Shyot. Jammu and Kashmir experiences 5 seasons: winter, spring, summer, monsoon, and autumn. In the Kashmir Valley, winters are very cold with heavy snowfall. January is the coldest month. Summers are short and pleasant. In Jammu, summers are usually very hot. The monsoon season lasts from July to September. A wide variety of vegetation is found in the Jammu and Kashmir. Thorny bushes grow on the lower slopes of the Jammu hills. Trees like the cedar, pint, deodar, chinar, and willow grow the slopes of the Pir Panjal and the Jastar range. Agriculture is an important occupation of the people of the state. The floor of the valley and the gentler slopes are used for cultivating crops. Terraces are cut on the slope of cultivation. Cereals like rice and maize are grown as kharif crop in the Kashmir Valley. Wheat is also grown as a kharif crop in Jammu. Fruits like peaches, apples, apricots, and plums, and nuts like almond, cashew nuts, and walnuts are grown in orchards. Kashmir is famous for the cultivation of saffron, a special crop. It is popularly known as desert. Second state is Ladakh, is a union territory that lies to the east of Jammu and Kashmir. Ladakh has Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh to its south and west, and China to the east and north. Leh is the capital and the largest city of Ladakh. Kargil is also an important city. Ladakh is a high altitude plateau, is the highest plateau in India. The landscape of Ladakh consists largely of Turin mountain range and deep valleys. The Ladakh and Janstar range that lie across it are part of the Greater Himalayas. The Indus is the main river flowing through Ladakh. The Janstar river joins the Indus near Leh. Ladakh experiences a cold and dry climate throughout the year. During winters, there is heavy snowfall in some places. The monsoon wind becomes almost dry by the time they reach Ladakh. Therefore, Ladakh receives hardly any rain, making it a cold desert. Most of Ladakh has hardly any vegetation. In the valleys, however, plants like tamarisk shrubs can be found. The main crops grown in Ladakh are wheat, buckwheat, barley, millet, peas, beans, and turnips. Third state in northern India is Himachal Pradesh, lies in the northern part of India. The neighbor of Himachal Pradesh are Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, and Punjab. China lies to its east. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Kullu, Manali, Mandi, Dharamsala, Dalhousie, and Chamba are the other major cities of the state. The hill stations of Simla, Manali, Kullu, and Dalhousie are the popular tourist spots of the states. Himachal Pradesh is completely mountainous state with the Himadri, the Himachal and Sivalit mountain range running through it. The Chandrabhada, Chenab, Beas, Ravi, Satluj, Yamuna are the important rivers that flow throughout this state. Himachal Pradesh experiences hot summer with moderate rainfall that lasts from March to June. Winters are cold and last from October to February. Heavy snowfall occurs in the high mountain during winters. Some places remain permanently covered with snow. The vegetation in Himachal Pradesh ranges from dry scrub forests at lower altitude to alpine forests at higher altitudes. Trees commonly found in the alpine regions are oaks, deodar, tel, fir, and spruce. Meadows called budial are common and are used for sheep rearing. Agriculture is the most important occupation of the state. The crops grown here include rice, wheat, barley, millet, potato, tea, and a wide variety of vegetables. Fruits such as apple and apricot are grown in abundance in valley of Tullu, Tandra, and Chamba. Fourth state, Uttarakhand, lies in the northwestern part of India. Uttarakhand shares its borders with Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. China and Nepal border it to the north and east. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. Other major cities are Haridwar, Rishikesh, Nainital, Almora, and Rurti. Mussoorie in the Darwal and Nainital in Kumaon are important hill stations. Located at foothills of the Himalayan mountain ranges, Uttarakhand contains the Darwal and Tamau range. Open valley known as the dunes are common here. Dehradun is located in one of these dunes. Nanda Devi is the highest peak in Uttarakhand. Ganga and Yamuna are important rivers of Uttarakhand. They originate in the glacier of Dandotri and Yamunotri respectively. Other major rivers include Tali, Bhagirathi and Alatnanda. Many lakes or tas are also located here, such as the Nainital, Bhimtal and Sattal, among others. The climate of Uttarakhand varies with altitude. In the plain, summers are hot, winters are cold. In the mountains, summers are hot, winters are cold. In In the mountains, summers are cool and pleasant, while winters are freezing, with heavy snowfall in most places. A large part of Uttarakhand is covered with forest. Oats grow on higher slopes, higher up Himalayan pine, spruce, chestnut, deodar, beech, cypress, and rhododendron are found. Hardwood trees such as sal, teak, and sesame are also found here. The crops that are grown in Uttarakhand include rice, wheat, millets, sugarcane, maize, soybean, pulses, and wild seeds. Dehradun is known for growing long grain fragrant rice. Apple, pears, cherries, plums, apricot, and citrus fruits are also grown by farmers. Fifth state is Punjab, lies to the south of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan are its neighbors. To its west lies Pakistan. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Other major cities include Amritsar, Ludhiana, Patiala, and Jalandhar. Most of Punjab, except a small area in northeast, is a flat and fertile plain. The rivers Ravi, Beas, and Satluj flow through the state. Chandigarh lies in the fertile northern plain and is flat landscape. No major river flow through Chandigarh. Chandigarh experiences very hot summer and cold winter. It receives moderate to heavy rainfall between July and September. The National Capital Territory of Delhi is a union territory. It contains New Delhi, the capital of India. Delhi is bordered by Haryana on three sides and by Uttar Pradesh to the east. Located on the banks of river Yamuna, Delhi has Rohti Aravali Hill to its south, the Delhi reaches to its west, and a vast stretch of alluvial plain between the hills and the Yamuna river. Yamuna flows through the city. Ninth, Uttar Pradesh is one of the largest states in India. It is also the most populous. The neighboring states of Uttar Pradesh are Uttarakhand, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, and Delhi. To its north lies Nepal. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. The land forms of the states of Uttar Pradesh are varied. It includes the Terai in the north, the Native Plain in the middle, and Vindhyas in the south. The rivers flowing through Uttar Pradesh are Ganga, Yamuna, Gomti. The Betwa and Chambal river flow into the Yamuna. Forests are found mainly in the northern and southern parts of the state. In the central parts, forests have been cleared to make way for agriculture. Along the foothill of the Shivalit stand the Tarai region. The Tarai is a marshy area where tall grasses, bamboo, and dense forest of sal grow. Grasses, bamboo, and sal and teak forest grown on the slopes of the Vindhyas. The main crops grown here in the Rabi season are wheat and pulses. In the Kharif season, rice, maize, and bajra are grown. Cotton and sugarcane are imported thrice through. Fruits like mangoes, guava, lychee, and watermelon are grown in summer. The state is known for its mango. Punjab experiences hot summer that last from April to June and cold winters that last from December to February. There is a brief season of spring in March when the weather is pleasant with clear blue skies and light wind. The state also receives rainfall from July to September. Punjab does not receive much rainfall, so the vegetation in the plain mainly consists of thorny bushes and trees like titlar and babul. The hills in the northeast of Punjab, however, have forest and grassy slopes. Agriculture is the main occupation of people of Punjab. The Bhadra Nandal Dam on the Satluj River supplies water to farms. Farmers grow a special type of rice called basmati. It is a kharif crop. It is exported to many countries. Other crops grown are pulses, mustards, sugarcane, peanut, cotton, and potato. Fruit like mango and guavas are also grown in orchards. Haryana, sixth state, lie in the northwestern part of India. Its neighbors are Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, Uttarakhand, and Himachal Pradesh. The capital of Haryana is a Chandigarh. Other major cities are Faridabad, Gurgaon, Rohtak, and Panipat. Haryana states mostly lie in the fertile northern plain, although the northeastern parts of it are partially covered by the Shivalit range. The Aravalli Hills are found in the southern part of the state. The major rivers flowing through Haryana are Yamuna and Ghadar. The main crops grown in Haryana are wheat, rice, sugarcane, maize, mustard, barley, and potato. Haryana has a very scanty vegetation. It consists mostly of thorny, dry, deciduous forests and thorny bushes. Most of the vegetation has been removed by humans for cultivation of crops. Seventh state, Chandigarh is a union territory of India that serves as the capital of two states, Haryana and Punjab. It is also share it also shares border with them. Chandigarh is one of the best planned cities in India. It was designed by the famous French architect Le Corbusier. Bihar, 10th state. Bihar is located in the eastern part of India. The neighboring states of Bihar are West Bengal, Jharkhand, and Uttar Pradesh. Nepal lies to its north. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Other important cities are Gaya, Darbhanga, Nalanda, Munger, and Samastipur. Located in the heart of the northern plain, Bihar is mainly a flat and fertile land. The northwestern part of the state, however, is hilly, being at the foothill of the Himalayas. Danda, Tosi, and Son are the main rivers that flow through Bihar. Bihar experiences hot summer and cold and foggy winter. The loo blows over the region during the summer season. The state receives heavy rainfall between July and September. Most of the forests have been cleared for cultivation. The trees that grow here include sal, bamboo, mahua, arjun, and bahera. The rich silt deposit by Danda and its tributary made Bihar ideal for agriculture. The crops grown here are rice, wheat, pulses, and vegetables like cauliflower, brinjal, and lady's finger. Fruits such as lychee, dava, mango, and pineapple are also grown. Thank you.